Flooding can strike without warning, but now there's a smarter way to stay safe. Introducing FizBe, the flood intelligent zonal buoy and beacon. Powered by AI, FizBe forecasts danger before it's too late.
It means no worries.
Warning. Warning. Water level rising beyond normal. Warning. Warning. Flood imminent. Kindly find a higher ground and park. Rerouting and navigating. Prevent accidents. Protect families. Save lives. Water level back to normal. Now it is safe to travel. Thank you for your cooperation. Kindly continue your journey. From city streets to coastal shores, FizBe guards your community. FizBe, intelligence against the flood.